mas mahalaga para sa akin.
Sa akin, ang pinakamalaking money trap sa totoo lang is thinking that they have all the time in the world. Yun. Kasi talagang ano siya eh. Iyan yung isa sa mga money mindsets na natutunan ko over time. Diba? Most of the time kasi may lifetime access yung mga offers ng mga course creators. But in reality, time is the universal currency. But in reality, hindi mo namamalayan na paubos na pala yung subscription mo or hindi mo namamalayan na sasayang na pala yung oras mo dito kasi hindi mo siya, bukod sa hindi mo inaaral, hindi mo sineseryoso. Yeah. Like we think that we have all the time in the world to study, to learn, but in reality, we only have a limited time and we only have limited opportunities na minsan, yung hindi mo akalain na opportunity na dapat para sa'yo, nawawala pa kasi you're choosing not to take action.